Hello, I'm Doug with Aquasyn, and I'd like to share some information in regards to our sample bottle assemblies. We recently posted a video explaining how to take a steam sample or a product sample. If you missed that, please see the link in the video or in the description below. Now, I'd like to talk about the integral component here, and that is the sample tree itself. Our customizable sample trees affords you the ability to connect multiple sample bottles to your bioreactor or your tank. For example, this 3/4 inch sample tree is connected to 4 250 milliliter sample bottle assemblies. Depending on your process and application, we can customize the number of connections, the type of connections, or the orientation of your connections. With our ASME BPE certified welder, ID and OD polishing, electropolishing, all done in-house, it's an easy process from our door to your door. Please contact us at www.aquasyn.com, where we will provide you a quick quote, a short lead time for a 2, 4, 6, or even an 8 sample bottle assembly. These sample bottles come in 250 or 500 milliliters typically. These are both in stock and ready to ship at any time. We look forward to hearing from you, and thanks again.